Hi everyone, so we are in today's new video and this session, which is our lesson, will be very special. Today I'll show you how to access top open source models or software with public code, like GLM 5.2, Minimax, M3, and DeepSeek for free via an API. A bridge that connects different programs. I will explain that exact workflow or sequence of steps in this video. Before we proceed, please quickly subscribe to this channel to follow our updates if you haven't already. Now let's start the tutorial, beginning with your first step. Open your browser, the app for websites, and visit Google. Next, proceed by searching for Morph LLM. First, type your search here, and then click the first link, which is a clickable website address. Next, click here to select this. Once that is finished, this interface or visual layout will now appear right here. We'll sign up here or register using the Continue with Google button. And now we will sign in right here. Once this process finishes, you will see several configuration prompts appear here. Step to Advance, where you can view models, which are digital templates used for building your virtual project. Now we tap or press Continue here. I'll select the API, our software bridge here. Notice that while you can proceed directly here, building an API or a software communication bridge is mandatory because no other internal alternative exists. Next, click Continue without plan to avoid subscribing. After completing these steps, you will see this interface or visual layout shown right here. First, navigate to this section and click Open Source Models, which are publicly shared software templates. After completing these steps, observe the interface, which is the visual display here. First, observe how the software interface displays every premier open source model. AI programs with publicly shared code, including M3, GLM 5.2, DeepSeek, B4, and Flash. This conveniently allows you to utilize these powerful, industry-leading tools directly within your daily work process to achieve impressive results. I'll explain this via API, a software bridge. Before that, let us select or choose a model or version, like the M3 here. And now, I'll type Hi in this field. Notice how the response or the speed of the AI's answer is very fast. And you can similarly utilize GLM, a general language model, right here. Currently, the GLM language model is not providing a response. I'll give it a moment now. Notice the response or system output has appeared here. You will basically find a bug or software error here. After completing this, the API option for connecting different applications becomes visible. Now, let's select the M3 chip, the computer's main processor for the moment. Now you can clearly see the interface here. Just copy the data right here. Now, we enter the terminal, our command window, and paste the code right here. Once finished, navigate above the bearer token, a security access key, to retrieve the API, the interface that lets our different software systems communicate effectively. Notice the API, which lets software programs talk to each other, and click it here. From here, we will select the default API, our preset software connection, beer. Now paste here. Observe the screen. We will create a function, or code block, to reverse this text string. Now you see the display, so let us wait briefly for the system response, which is the data sent back here. Observe the response here, which is how fast the device reacts to your input. Now, let's examine the total requests, or data signals sent to the server. Visible here as we begin our first analysis. Navigate to the billing section. Notice how your current plan, or active subscription, provides 250 credits, which are simply the digital units used for platform features. Essentially, you can perform approximately 200 to 300 requests. Additionally, you also receive monthly software updates or improvements. Notice how these credits, or usage units, refresh monthly, providing you with a very decent balance right here. This completes our guide on using this open source model, software with publicly accessible code, for free, so you can use these tools after watching this video. I hope you enjoy this walkthrough. Please subscribe, meaning you join for updates if you haven't already. And I hope you enjoy the video.